Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my reaction. How are you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group RBD. And this is a reaction video to the live in Houston to the song Esta Corazon. And I can't wait to see what these guys gonna be giving me. So they've never been disappointing yet. So look at them, all the fans. Is it?
¿Cómo poder recuperar tu amor? ¿Cómo sacar la tristeza de mi corazón? Mi mundo solo gira por ti.
Chris.
¿Cómo sanar este profundo dolor? Siento correr por mis venas tu respiración. Estoy tan conectada a ti.
Oh, come on with a
Yo te veo, sin ti yo me muero. Este corazón te robaste cuando te marchaste con mis besos y mis sueños. Este corazón está latiendo cada vez más lento. Te estoy sintiendo en mis adentros.
Sí.
¿Cómo calmar esta profunda obsesión? ¿Cómo le explico a mi alma que se terminó? Me estoy volviendo loco por ti.
Alfonso.
Mis sueños te veo. Y este corazón sueños te veo.
Oh, I had to get close up because I needed to see.
Cuando te marchaste con mis
Oh my God.
besos y mis sueños. Haciendo cada vez más lento. No existe el amor. No se apaga.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Yes.
Cuando te marchaste con mis besos y mis sueños.
Oh, did he shirt that I'm not crazy? That was everything. That was RBD Este Corazon, live in Houston. Good job, Chris, to start it off. Very good job. Very energetic as always. Love you, Chris. So I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I really do like this. Like the Brazil, the Tour del Adios, the Houston one, and the Hollywood one. This is some good ass performance. This is some good ass recommendation, guys. I am intrigued. For everybody else, what do you guys want me to react to? Feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. A link down below in the comment section. Please like, share, whatever you want me to. Drag me through the mud if you want to. I don't care. Long as you're sharing. But I will get to your recommendation as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Adios.